Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome. I'm so glad you've carved out this time for yourself today. This practice is a simple way to thank your body for all it does. We often rush through our days, barely noticing our bodies. Today, let's slow down and connect with the vessel that carries us. This is about finding what feels good, not forcing anything. Arrive here now with no expectations, just self-care. Stretching isn't just about flexibility, it creates space in body and mind, it eases tension, improves posture, and invites calm. We'll move with intention, guided by our breath. Find a comfortable spot, mat, blanket, or floor. Wear something you can move in. Settle in, notice the air, the sounds, and then turn your awareness inward. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your belly and chest. Exhale. Let it go with a soft sigh. Remember, this is your practice. Listen to your body. If something hurts, back off. We're seeking gentle release, not struggle. You showed up for yourself, and that's what matters most. Let's begin at the top, with the neck. Find a comfortable seat, hands resting in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your shoulders melt away from your ears. Exhale, gently drop your chin toward your chest. No forcing. Feel the stretch along the back of your neck. Breathe here. Inhale deeply, exhale, and let your chin sink a bit more. Now, slowly roll your right ear toward your right shoulder. Pause. Breathe into the left side of your neck. Exhale. Roll your chin back to center, then inhale left ear to left shoulder. Repeat 2 more times, linking breath to movement. Keep the circles in front, avoiding rolling your head back. If you find a tight spot, linger and breathe into it. Finish with your chin at your chest, then gently lift your head to neutral. Let's invite space into the shoulders and upper back. From your seat, inhale and roll your shoulders forward and up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Repeat 3 times, moving fluidly. Extend your right arm out, bring it across your body. Use your left hand to hug your right arm closer, stretching the back of your shoulder. Keep both shoulders relaxed. Breathe deeply for a few breaths. Release and switch sides, stretching the left arm across. Breathe into the back of your left shoulder. Hold, then release. Now interlace your fingers behind your back or use a strap. Inhale, straighten your arms, squeeze shoulder blades together, feel your chest broaden and lift. Option to gently tilt your chin up. Take 3 deep breaths, filling your heart with gratitude. Exhale, release your hands, and give your shoulders a gentle wiggle. Notice the openness in your chest and shoulders. This is your time to nurture yourself. Wonderful work. Let's create length along the sides of the body. From your seat, inhale and reach both arms up. Exhale, lower your right hand to the floor, left arm stays high. Inhale, lengthen through your left side. Exhale, arc over to the right. Keep your left sit bone grounded. Breathe into your left rib cage. Hold for a few deep breaths, feeling expansion with each inhale. Inhale, return to center, arms up. Exhale, left hand down, right arm high. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, arc to the left. Breathe into your right side, hold, then return to center and release arms. Pause and notice the difference. Let's move to hands and knees for cat-cow. Find tabletop, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat pose. Flow between these 2 shapes, linking breath to movement. Continue for 5 to 8 rounds, eyes closed if you like. Let your breath guide you, add gentle sways or circles if it feels good. This is your moving meditation. When ready, return to a neutral spine. Notice the warmth and flexibility in your back. Cat-cow brings balance and release to the spine. Let's move on. Our hamstrings get tight from sitting. Let's give them some love. From tabletop, extend your right leg back, toes on the mat. Press through your heel for a calf stretch. Step your right foot forward between your hands, low lunge. Shift hips back, straighten your right leg, toes up. Hands on the floor for support. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips, keeping your back straight. Feel the stretch along your right thigh. Breathe deeply. Keep a bend in your knee if needed. Inhale, walk hands back, bend your right knee, return to tabletop. Repeat on the left, step forward, shift back, extend, fold, breathe. Slowly return to tabletop. Notice the release in your legs. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Twists are wonderful for the spine and digestion. From tabletop, step your right foot forward, low lunge. Left hand on the mat, inhale, sweep your right arm up, opening your chest. Gaze up or down, breathe into the twist for a few breaths. Exhale, unwind, right hand down, return to tabletop. Repeat on the left, step forward, right hand down, inhale, left arm up, twist. Hold, breathe, then unwind and return to tabletop. Notice the effects of the twist. Let's move to our next stretch. Now let's stretch the front of the thighs, the quadriceps. From tabletop, keep your left hand down, bend your right knee, lift your right foot. Reach back with your right hand to hold your foot or use a strap. Gently guide your heel toward your glute, feeling the stretch in your thigh. Keep hips square, core engaged, and avoid arching your back. Hold for a few breaths, then release and return to tabletop. Repeat on the left bend knee. Reach back, hold, stretch, breathe. Release and return to all fours. Notice the balance between front and back of your legs. This stretch relieves tension in knees and hips. Well done. Let's end in child's pose, Balasana. From tabletop, bring big toes together, knees wide. Exhale, sink hips back to heels, walk hands forward, melt your torso down. Rest your forehead on the mat or a cushion. Arms can reach forward or rest by your sides. Let your shoulders relax completely. Take 3 to 5 deep, nourishing breaths. With each exhale, release any lingering tension. Allow yourself to be fully supported by the ground. When ready, walk your hands back, press up to a seat, close your eyes. Notice the space you've created. Thank yourself for showing up today. Return to this practice whenever you need to reconnect. Subscribe for more daily mobility, fitness, and wellness videos.